While every robotics company is racing to build humanoid robots with 2 legs, one Silicon Valley startup just said, "Forget the legs, we're putting it on wheels." On November 19, 2025, Sunday emerged from stealth with Memo, a household robot trained on 10 million real household chores from 500 actual homes, and it has no legs. Here's why this matters. Most home robots fail because they're trained in labs or adapted from factory machines. They've never seen a messy kitchen or a dishwasher loaded differently every day. Sunday's founders, Stanford PhD roboticists Tony Zhao and Cheng Chi, realized the problem wasn't the hardware, it was the data. So they invented the skill capture glove, a wearable that records how real people move and clean in their own homes. 500 families wore these gloves and generated 10 million episodes of genuine household routines: clearing tables, loading dishwashers, folding laundry, making espresso. Memo learned from humans doing human things in human homes. And here's the controversial part. Memo has no legs. While Tesla builds Optimus and China ships humanoid workers to factories, Sunday said the bipedal design is wrong for homes. Why? Because humanoids fall over. They're unstable, and if they lose power, they crash to the floor. Memo sits on a wheeled base covered in soft silicone. If it loses power, it just stops. No falling, no danger. Sunday just raised $35 million from Benchmark and Conviction. Their team includes engineers from Tesla, DeepMind, Waymo, and Meta. They're accepting applications for the founding family beta. Only 50 households will receive individually numbered Memo robots in late 2026. This is a direct challenge to the humanoid hype. Sunday is betting that the future of home robots isn't about looking human. It's about learning from humans. 10 million household episodes, $35 million in funding, and a robot that finally does the chores you actually hate. For the latest robot news, visit myrobot.shop.